Welcome to this video on the Tactical AI Duckdb ATAK plugin, a comprehensive GIS data and development solution for defense and intelligence agencies. This plugin is part of an expansive, interconnected TAK ecosystem designed to provide seamless integration from servers and clients to developer SDKs. The system offers full server capabilities across multiple platforms, including Windows services, mobile devices, and browser-based access, ensuring robust situational awareness. The Tactical AI Duckdb plugin provides a unified intelligence edge for ATAK, solving fragmentation challenges by consolidating various tools into one efficient, offline-capable core. By replacing multiple fragmented add-ons with a single plugin, operators gain 100% offline intelligence, spatial analytics, and C2 bridging in one streamlined interface. Core features include natural language spatial queries, voice control, real-time language translation, entity extraction for chat messages, and document analysis through RAG. This plugin transforms Android devices into tactical intelligence platforms, featuring an embedded analytical database, on-device AI models, and extensive data catalog support. The AI services within the plugin support a wide array of tactical tools, ranging from spatial queries and marker management to medical triage and overwatch planning. For whiteboard operations, the system utilizes custom CoT type mappings to standardize various stroke types, including freehand, lines, arrows, and geometric shapes. Tactical messaging is supported across major protocols like VMF, JVMF, Link 16, and USMTF, alongside gateways for common commercial messaging platforms. Hardware integration capabilities extend to GNSS receivers with RTK support, HMI keypads for faster action mapping, and AI-powered analysis of drone video feeds. The Ad Hoc Forms module enables dynamic data collection, while the task tracking feature facilitates Kanban-style management integrated directly with tactical messaging. Tactical operations are further supported by multi-protocol video streaming and turn-by-turn offline navigation across various mobility profiles. The plugin supports a broad spectrum of GIS data formats and connects to numerous data catalogs, ensuring deep search and discovery capabilities. Finally, the system ensures robust interoperability by implementing standardized message formats like VMF and JVMF, complete with K-series message parsing. Moving on to tactical data links, the plugin implements Link 16 and TADILJ via STANAG 5516, facilitating real-time information exchange and binary J-series message parsing. The system also supports USMTF under MIL STD 6040, providing standardized headers and formal messaging capabilities, alongside a unified C2 message model for protocol-agnostic integration. For video analysis, the plugin supports various protocols, including RTSP, RTP, RTMP, and H.264 streams, alongside local file processing for comprehensive UAS control. The architecture includes dedicated components like the enhanced UAS video service for YOLO detection and a vision language service utilizing models like Mini CPMV. This enhanced plugin integrates advanced AI vision capabilities, including Microsoft PHI-4 for image captioning and Google ML-Kit for face detection and pose estimation. Core utility classes such as the video frame extractor and specialized UI components ensure seamless integration with the existing ATAK UAS tool plugin framework. Real-time data processing is achieved through multi-protocol ingestion, supporting sources like Redis, Kafka, WebSockets, and OGC sensor things. The system leverages Duckdb for on-device spatial analysis, allowing for live alerting and efficient area of interest downloading for offline mission pre-staging. The plugin's unified edge solution effectively addresses the fragmentation crisis, replacing the burden of multiple standalone plugins with a single, highly capable engine. Our 3D data pipeline supports a wide array of formats, from IFC and CityJSON to legacy 3D formats, using native libraries to enable full BIM support. Each supported format, including point clouds or meshes, is converted to output standards like KML, GeoPackage, or GLTF for maximum interoperability. The platform continues to evolve with advanced sensor fusion, linking disparate data streams into a cohesive, actionable operational picture for the tactical user. Ongoing development focuses on enhancing automated target recognition, reducing cognitive load on the operator by highlighting critical intelligence in real time. Security remains paramount, with all on-device processing designed to operate in zero cloud dependency environments, ensuring mission continuity in denied settings. Thank you for reviewing this overview of the Tactical AI Duckdb ATAK plugin, a transformative tool built for the modern, data-driven battlespace. The plugin also features extensive data services and API capabilities, providing access to cached map tiles in MBTILES, ESRI TPKX, and VTPK formats. Data coverage spans worldwide and regional areas, including specific support for U.S. states and Canadian provinces, alongside various other territories. Operators benefit from a custom Area of Operation API that integrates approximately 70 different data products to support diverse mission requirements. The system includes specialized APIs for calculating MGRS and GARS grid references, as well as elevation data tied directly to point-based information. Advanced software-defined radio capabilities enable live broadcasts, allowing for real-time signal analysis directly within the application environment. The SDR functionality is compatible with USB-connected hardware like the HAC RF1 and HAC RF-PRO, ensuring high-fidelity signal acquisition. This capability is available across multiple platforms, including Field Sentinel for Android and desktop versions for Windows, Mac, and Linux. The 3D Map Explorer for Windows rounds out the suite, serving as a powerful real-time and data integration engine for tactical operations. Maven Geospatial provides comprehensive software and data solutions designed to enhance the common operating picture, situational awareness, and C3 communications. Solutions support IP-based MANETs, including Wave Relay and MPU5, alongside consumer-grade Meshtastic LoRa mesh networks for resilient connectivity. Whether operating offline or connected to 4G, 5G, or Wi-Fi, our tools are engineered for austere, disconnected, and low-bandwidth environments.